everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make another wallet. This one made by request, and it's not all the requests I'll be able to do, so I hope you understand that, everyone. The fabric I have here, this is 7 inches wide by 12 inches long, and I have the interface in here 3.5 by 11 inches and a half. Okay, and I'm going to place in here. When I place here, I make sure that I have a 1/4 of an inch on each side of this. Okay, I'm gonna go one at a time so you don't mess up. It's only 2 pieces of fabric and 2 interface, and you're done with this is very simple. When you send me the request, sometimes I don't get time to do it, or sometimes I have the people request something else before you, so I hope you understand. So click on the like button, everyone. That helps me a lot if you want to support my channel. Okay, so now when you're done, you're gonna fold in half this way. Okay, make sure you have the right side. Usually the interfacing will facing out, right? And then we sew. This time it's like this. Okay, now after this, you're gonna go on here, top stitch on the fold. When you do top stitch, you don't change anything. Keep everything the same. The needle, the setting, everything the same. Believe that? I left the phone right in front of me and I go look for it. Oh my goodness. Alright, everyone. So I top stitch this part right here. And remember, we top stitch on the fold. And the right side is here facing out, okay? This piece of fabric right here that I have, cut 5 inches wide and 13 inches long. Look at this. Isn't that so cute? I got this at my local fabric store. The interface, and I use midway interface and everyone. And this is 5 inches wide and 6 inches long. Okay, and I'm going to fold it in half. So you're going to mark 1/4 of an inch on the side, 1/4 of an inch on each the long side, the 6 inches side. Like that, okay? And then on the side here, on the top, you're gonna mark 1 inch and a 1/4. Okay, 1 inch and a 1/4, an inch and a 1/4 here too. Also same, like that. And then you're going to do the same thing here. 1 inch and a 1/4, an inch and a 1/4. Remember, one side have to be the same as the other side. Okay, and then you get something round. As long as you have something round, and then you go into round this area, you're gonna round this area. I have the ruler, but I don't want to use something you don't have, so you can use tape or whatever, place anything you want, and then you go into round this corner. When you round the corner, you make sure it's touching like that, and then go into this side. And you're going to do exactly the same. Just like so, okay? I'm gonna plate this way, right exact. Everyone, after you iron on the fabric, you're gonna turn into the other side. Remember, turn in same side like this on the right side, and this one right here, the piece that we make it earlier, you're going to face the top stitch, the fold facing on the right, on this way, okay? And then this 2 opening on this side, the straight side, okay? Place it right on it. Make sure everything it touches exactly where it should be, like that, okay? And then go into this side. You're gonna fold exactly right at the side of this. Make sure straight down. And you're going to clip it down for now, and then we'll show you what to do. Okay, so fold that down already. You're gonna bring this in, do this, and take this clip out, bring that in. Make sure everything is straight down, very important. Okay, everything, and you take this out and then you clip it back on, just like so. Okay, and then you're going to fold this piece over. You fold it until you see that right here where you round this area. You're going to put this down. We turn into the other side so you can see. Okay, turn into this side. Now you can see this round area right here. Okay, now you're going to make sure everything is lined up nicely. You can take out a clip, clip it together. Now you have something like this. You're going to start sewing from here. Go follow that line that you draw all around here. Go into here, go around to this area and go all the way down to this side and stop. After this, you're going to trim a little bit on the side. I didn't have much to trim right here. Like this, you go on to inside out. See how the interfacing work out so well, push out everything nicely. One after you inside out. And now you have something like this. This is the one, and then the other one is bigger than that. You go on to pull one side on each time, and then you go on to iron this. Remember the side here that we sew it quarter up, and then when you cut around, make sure you iron that down too. Yeah, and then pushing this side. You go into iron on this side. Make sure you iron this out really good. When you sew, you're gonna sew from here under where the clip go all the way up here, go all around the flap, going down this way, go down to the side here, go all the way down to here and stop. After I sewed it in, and this is what you have, I sewed all around and go on this side. Okay, so then you have this for a half right here, and then this half right here. You're gonna hold this together for now, and then I'll show you. We're going to do one at a time when we fold it in this on the side. Okay, very easy. You have that in front of you, you can do it. Okay, so now you have an extra on the side and extra here on the side, so you're going to have like an inch extra, and then you're going to fold that in half, go into the side like this. Just fold it down this side. Make sure everything is going to meet nicely. Okay, and on this side, same thing, this extra on the side, fold it in half. You keep folding until it go to this side and meet the side here. But also it's straight out, it's, you know, it's evenly straight like this. Okay, now you have fold like this way. You clip it down. I just opened to show you what it looks like. On this extra one right here, you're gonna fold it down like 1/8 of an inch. Like that. Bring this up to the side. And then make sure it going all the way up to cover this. I clip it first. Here you're gonna start sewing on the top right here, so it seal the bottom together. So this straight line all the way. Okay, so I sewed this straight line down here, and look at this one, have more room. And then the one in here you can put your money. I'm using, and remember the button is your choice, not mine. Okay, right in the middle right here. Right, and now you're gonna fold it down like this, and then iron this so it can be nice and looking. Look at that, the cat is go all different direction. Okay, it's not like a cat sideways. All right, so right there, that where the side that we fold earlier, we're going to add the button. I have to find the thing, I lost it. And I'm going to poke the hole and put this one on. And the one with the holes like that. This one, if you want to purchase it, in my description, it's really useful to have when you make a lot of this. Okay, squeeze this down, and then you're going to bring this down here. Make sure it go back to where you marked and where you fold earlier, and then you press this down. You see the mark right there. You're going to add another side of the button. Okay, get the place going from the inside right here where you just poke the hole. Goodness. Okay, like that, and then I put this one on, and this go in doing exactly the same. Squeeze it, and the button, you have one. When you're done, you're going to put everything in here, and then you close it like this. Okay, and let me just put thing in there so you can see. No, you can put the gift card in here if you like, or anything you want. I'm gonna put the money on one side of this, and then if you have change, you can put on this side too. And that's it. Hold a lot of change in there too. That's it. The side of this is 4.5 inches long, and the high side is when I put the money in there, it's hard to measure because it's 3.5. Okay, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, like that. Stay safe and take care. Make sure you click on the like button to support my video, everyone. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, so every time I upload a video you won't miss any of my new video. Visit my son's channel too. It's right under the first comment of any video. Love you. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.